Okay, hi everyone, what is up with you all? Well, nothing is up with me because I am very scared and stressed right now because you guys already know by the title that I am dyeing my hair today. I'm gonna be bleaching it, I'm gonna be coloring it for the first time. Not coloring for the first time because I did color my hair few times before, not on the bleach hair, I did it on the black hair. That's why the color never showed up. কালো চুলের উপর কালার করলে কখনোই প্রপার কালার আসে না, that's why we are bleaching my hair today, and that is what I'm most scared of because bleach করলে চুলটা প্রচন্ড rough and dry হয়ে যায়. Anyway, I'm ready to ruin my hair today, I'm ready to bleach my hair today. Here we are, and I have ordered all my color and dyeing things from Birds of Paradise. I have watched them on Shark Tank and I'm pretty much convinced their color is so good. It was looking so good, and if you guys don't watch Shark Tank, we can't be friends. Let me tell you one thing, that এই পার্সেলটা আমি রিসিভ করেছি 15 দিন আগে। এটা জাস্ট সাইড এরকম পড়েছিল, অন্য পার্সেল আসলে আমি জাস্ট 1 সেকেন্ড টাইম লাগে খুলতে, বাট I waited because I wanted to unpack this on screen, and patience দেখছো তোমরা আমার patience, still তোমরা আমার ভিডিওতে লাইক দাও না। Anyway, we're gonna be unpack this on screen, and before that let me tell you this video is going to be very talkative because I'm gonna talk a lot, and also I'm gonna answer few of your questions. You guys always keep asking me questions about my university, about Jadavpur University and my course, so I'm gonna be answer some of your questions about that. So this video is going to be unpacking plus Q&A plus coloring my hair video. So let's start. Let's unpack this first. Okay, so this is how it looks. First we have this leaflet thing, I think. We are gonna be redhead because we are doing the brightest red of their website. This is Rubra Red. Also, we got a tote bag in free. We got this tote bag for free. I have to iron this. It's written Paradyes. Before I do anything to my hair, let me give you guys a 360 view of my hair. So this is how my hair looks from front, this is how my hair looks from the side, and this is the back of my hair, and this is my left side view. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding the inspo, the way I'm coloring my hair right here. So this is how I want to color my hair. I want to color it in the down part of my hair. So yeah, if it doesn't turns out the way I'm picturing it, I'm gonna be so mad because this is going to be waste of time, waste of so much money, and most importantly waste of my energy and phone space of my hair. So we need to tie the upper part of my hair to secure it, and I'm gonna be needing my sister help, so I'm going to do it off camera, and you guys wait, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Hi, I'm back. So I have divided my hair in 2 parts. I did a high ponytail to secure my upper hair. Let me show you. I'm gonna be coloring this part of my hair, and I'm gonna be adding more clips to this part of my hair to secure it
so that it does not get bleached or colored. Let me add some more clips to it.
okay, we are pretty much done with the bleach. Now all I have to do is wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna answer some of your questions. So yeah. First question is what course I'm pursuing in JU. So I'm doing post-graduation diploma in mass communication and journalism. It is a 1-year course, and there is 2 courses available in JU for mass communication and journalism. First one is obviously the post-graduation, which is the master course. It is a 2-year course, and the second one, which is I'm doing, that is post-graduation diploma. It is a 1-year course, and there is no undergraduation course available in JU for mass communication and journalism. The other subjects, other department have their undergraduation course, but journalism and mass communication does not have any undergraduation course in JU. Hi everyone, welcome back. So let me reveal my bleach blonde hair. So here it is. This is how my hair is looking after I washed off and dried my hair, and this is pretty much close to what I wanted. By the way, this is not dark brown, it is looking way more dark in the camera. Trust me, let me give you guys a close-up. My hair is light brown, like proper brown it is, and I think it is going to pick up the pop red color. I mean, not this much bright, but hopefully my hair will get close to this red. Let's color my hair. I'm so excited.
Okay, so I took half of the color and put it in the bowl, and my sister is helping me here to color my hair. And I'm not doing it on my own because I found it pretty difficult to spread all the color equally on my hair, so I'm taking my sister's help also to save some color for next time.
Hi you guys, it is time for the hair reveal. I did style my hair, I did curl. Now it is time to reveal the actual color. So ta-da! This is how my hair is looking. It is not that sort of a pop red color, but it is pretty good. I really like it. It is kinda a light ruby wine, if you understand. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking. I'm so happy with the result. Now I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view of my hair. So this is how it is looking from the front when I put all my hair in the front. Yeah, so this is my side view. And this is how my hair looks from behind. And this is how it is looking from this side. I'm so happy. I am so happy with the result right now. I'm so in love with my hair. It is definitely a game changer and gonna give you guys a new look if you want that. So I will highly recommend you guys to try it. Do color your hair anything. Also do let me know how do you guys like this color on me and what color you wanna see me in next.
And that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it and found it helpful. I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.